Why DipIFR? Expertise in IFRS is a prerequisite for accounting and finance professional. Now, in some countries, actually, I have seen, I don't want to name the countries here, but at least there are three countries in my knowledge who have made it mandatory that you should have your local, some type of, in order to become a chief accountant, you need to pass a local accounting exam. You need to pass a local accounting exam. And you are given a degree which is, or a diploma which is given by the local accounting body, but that exam is actually based on IFRS. So there is a country X, they say that you are an accountant, you want to become chief accountant, you have to pass this exam. This is a local accounting body, they say you pass the exam, only then you become chief accountant, because chief accountants have to put signatures, so only then you become it. Okay. But then I say that, okay, what is this exam based on? They say the exam is based on IFRS. Go and study IFRS, come and take this exam in our local language, and you will be done. So this is actually, it is becoming mandatory now. Before it was like optional, but in recent years, I have seen, probably in last few years, that it is becoming kind of a compulsory or a mandatory thing. It provides recognition that you are an expert. By ACCA says that this person is expert in preparing, financial statements based on IFRS. Immediate boost to your CV. It's very important, by the way. Sometimes people, they come in, they say that, I did my BCom, I did my master's or bachelor's in university. Should I do ACCA now? I say, wait a minute. Don't start with ACCA like 3 years long journey. First, do this DipIFR, which is financial reporting. This is what you are doing, and it will give you immediate boost. Once you are done with IFRS, and if you have motivation and energy, then you go for the longer journey of ACCA. But don't start with ACCA right away. So those people who have been away from books for probably 10, 12 years, we have a lot of students who are 35 plus age bracket, okay, 35 years plus. And I asked them that, when did you take your last exam? And somebody says, oh, my last exam was probably 17 years ago. Actually, two days ago, I had a meeting with a person, a very nice person working in a very good position. He said, I took a last exam 22 years ago, but I want to refresh. Where should I begin? I say, begin with DipIFR. It's one single paper. It is very much similar or relevant to what you do. You are an accounting professional, so it is not coming strange for you. Start with it. Take this exam. Once you are back to the track, you make yourself, familiar, or you adapt with sitting with the books again. And then once you finish this one exam, then you can think about, okay, some other qualification. So it's like a very good re-entry to the professional qualifications or academics. It helps in promotion within the organization. It has great value. This is one diploma, but it has great value. It could be a best investment of your time and money. 3-4 months. I mean, we have spent years and years. By the way, sometimes I get disappointed because I find people who talk to me last time in 2021, sir, I want to do DipIFR. Then, oh, I got busy. In 22, they come back. Oh, I want to do DipIFR. Should I begin? I say, yes, you begin. And then they disappear. 1 year later, they come back again. You know what? Remember, I met with you 2 years ago before COVID? I say, yeah, I remember. And then, oh, I want to do it again, sir. Now it's time to do. Don't do that. It is 4 to 5 months. Give it, done and dusted. It's just like one summer vacations, okay? It's not really very challenging. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, then throw it away. Either there are only two things. Either you are doing it or you are not doing it, okay? In my opinion, if you are accounting and finance professional, you should be doing it. And doing it does not require some huge effort. It is just like 10 hours per week for next 4 to 5 months, and you are done with that. And then actually, once you are done with that, it puts a foundation for another journey of your career. DipIFR or IFRS qualification is such a huge you would give to yourself. It's a valuable gift you will give to yourself